How to mute someone's story on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to mute someone's story on Facebook, what you can do is you can see the stories section. In the stories section you can swipe uh, uh, in the left, and you can see all the stories from the people you follow, all of your friends. So what you have to do to mute someone's story is you can swipe up and you can choose any of the people. So let's see, I mute the story of these people. So firstly you have to long hold the any of the people to mute a story, and then click on, you can see the these two options in the bottom. Click on the mute with the user's name a story. Click on this and then again click on the mute, and now you have muted this person's story, so you can't see the story of this person. So that's basically that how you can mute someone's story on Facebook. You can also mute this person by long holding the this story, and then you can see these two options in the bottom. You have to click on this mute with this username a story, and then click on the mute, and now you have muted another user. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.